Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by defining clear financial goals and your time frame for investing. Decide if you need growth, income, or capital preservation over 10 years. Choose an allocation such as 70% stocks and 30% bonds for moderate growth. Confirm an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses before you invest new cash. Evaluate risk tolerance using short questionnaires or hypothetical loss scenarios to understand emotional capacity. Write down target allocation numbers to guide future rebalancing decisions and avoid emotional trading. Next, pick the specific index exposure you need and compare fund types carefully. Choose between ETFs and index mutual funds based on trading style and tax needs. Favor broad funds tracking total market, S&P 500, or international developed indexes for diversification. Compare expense ratios, seeking values near 0.03% for low-cost ETFs and 0.04% for clean mutual funds. Check for brokerage fees and choose a platform offering /bin/sh commissions on ETFs to avoid trading costs. Review fund tracking error, turnover, and underlying index methodology. Open the appropriate account type, such as a taxable account, traditional IRA, or Roth IRA first. Fund the account using a lump sum or automated contributions, for example 0 monthly for steady growth. Place orders for ETFs during market hours or set mutual fund purchases at end of day. Implement automatic rebalancing annually to restore your target allocation and limit drift beyond 5 percentage points. Be tax aware. Expect Form 1099 for taxable accounts and preferential long-term capital gains rates when applicable. Review state.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.